As you guys know, I really love my Talaria XXX. Everything about this bike is phenomenal except for one thing, the key. Talaria thought they were cute when they did the whole RFID tag thing, and I'll admit, at first I thought it was a cool feature. However, in use, there's been some practicality issues. For instance, if you're stopped just hanging out for a bit at a spot for say 5 minutes, and you turn your bike off, it can be super inconvenient having to dig through your pockets or bag just to grab your keys to then start your bike again. Even worse, when your buddy decides to push your button at a stoplight. All right, that sounded a little perverse. No diddy. Anyways, today I have a means of solving that. Today we have an RFID bracelet that should remedy all of my problems. Now brace yourself for the price on this one, a whopping $8. Not only is this fashionable, but you'll be able to start your bike as well. In all seriousness, this bracelet will be something that you'll never have to take off, so you'll always have your key on you. Plus, it just kind of looks like a Fitbit or any other sort of fitness type wristband, so it's not gonna look weird just wearing it when you're not riding the bike. So, let's set it up. So guys, this is gonna by far be the easiest to install on the channel, but to start, we will take our RFID tag that's already programmed. This is actually not a stock one, if you can't tell. We're going to turn on the bike, but we're actually gonna keep the fob at the RFID portion till it beeps 5 times. We're gonna hold it there. Okay, looks like you can only pair it with the stock keys. All right, so we've got the stock key. I try to keep this in a safe place and not use it because I already lost one of the stock keys, so I don't want to lose another. So, I'm gonna turn it on, hold it here. All right, that was 5 beeps. Then we're gonna take our wristband, and this should now successfully be paired. So, let's turn the bike off. We will turn it back on and see if this works. And it does, and the cute thing about it is it's a different sound for every key. So let's compare. So we have, see guys, how cool is this? So if someone turns off your bike or you just don't feel like digging for your keys, easy just like that. Now, I do believe that this is probably waterproof. It doesn't say it on the Amazon listing, but it's all covered in silicone. So I'll test it out for you guys. Yep, still seems to work. So guys, and there you have it. The cool little wristband works on the Talaria XXX. I will leave a link down in the description to get this, but I think I'm literally just gonna use only this as my key and never take it off. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turns out only 5% of my viewers are subscribed, so that's a horrible rate, so please subscribe. It literally will help the channel so much. It'll help me, it'll make me happy. But yeah guys, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Peace.